my name's Lainey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a super tasty and easy recipe of protein French toast. It's so tasty but easy to fit into those dieting macros. Let's get started. What you will need is some bread. I am using some wholemeal Nimble bread today. Egg whites, about 100 grams, 20 grams of your protein of choice. Today I'm using a salted caramel one. And some coconut almond milk to get the right density. We're gonna fry it all up in a large frying pan with some butter fry light spray. Using your weighing scales, weigh out 100 grams of your egg whites. Then add in 20 grams of your salted caramel protein powder. Grab a fork and start whisking. Now we add about 10 to 20 ml of our Alpro coconut almond milk. You can use any milk you want, whether it is a full fat dairy or a dairy-free nut milk. And then just simply whisk it into the mixture. You're trying to eradicate all the lumps and bubbles. Now it's time to add the bread. As I said, I am using a Hovis Nimble wholemeal bread, but any bread you use is fine. Just make sure to adjust the macros. I like to soak the bread for a couple of minutes to get it really full and eggy from the mixture. So we just dip the bread in and then turn it over until it's fully covered in the egg mix. And then repeat with the second slice. You have to get your hands a little bit dirty and just be careful not to let the bread fall apart. And then we just leave it to soak. While the eggy bread mixture is soaking, I'm just going to talk about toppings. Today I am going to top my French toast with some fresh strawberries and a blueberry compote, which I'll make very easily in the microwave. You can top your French toast with whatever you want, depending on your macros. If you've got more carbs, you can add in some banana and honey. If you have a very sweet tooth, a great option is to add some dark chocolate and mini marshmallows in between the two slices. They melt all together and form the best s'mores French toast. You can also mix it up, add in some bacon to add in some extra protein or whatever you fancy. To make your blueberry compote, you simply get 50 grams of your frozen blueberries. I like to add a teaspoonful of sweetener. You can also add honey or agave, whatever your preference is, and then simply microwave it on a high heat for 1 minute. It gives you the perfect berry compote. Your bread is going to be quite soggy right now with the eggy mixture, but this is going to cook up so good. You just have to be super careful when you're transferring the bread onto the pan. We're going to preheat the pan on a medium heat. Now you don't want it too hot because you don't want the eggs to burn. You want them to just sizzle and cook and get that fluffy texture. I'll preheat the pan on a medium heat, then add on the fry light butter spray. I like this because it has a little bit of sweetness to it. Once I have the bread on the pan, there will be some excess eggy mixture left in the bowl, and I'm simply going to get a spatula and put that onto the top of the egg so that none of it is wasted. I usually allow the bread to fry up for about 1 minute to 2 minutes each side, just until it gets a nice golden color. Then I'll flip it over and cook the other side through. So here we have our delicious protein French toast, and now I'm going to top it with all my favorite toppings. 60 grams of the Fage Total 0% Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of ground cinnamon, 100 grams of chopped fresh strawberries, and our pre-prepared blueberry compote. So here we have our tasty, high in protein, low in fat, healthy protein French toast. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give it the thumbs up. If you have any questions about this recipe, hit me up in the comment box below. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to see more of these delicious, healthy recipes.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.